Hey, what is going on, guys and gals of YouTube? It's your boy Spencer down here at Mellow Vapes in Indian Land, coming at you again with a little bit of an informational video this time. I know normally when I do these videos, I'm doing something like an overview on a product or a sale that we've got going on, but today I'm actually going to do something fairly simple. I'm going to teach you guys, in case you don't know, how to replace the coil on the smok Trinity Alpha kit. And the reason I went with the smok Trinity Alpha kit for today's video, here you go, if you want to see it, this is my personal Trinity. We sell a lot of these. They're really common and everybody seems to have one. So, fairly self-explanatory, but I am going to go over it with you just to make sure you guys know what you're getting into, just in case something's amiss or you break a pod or whatever. So step one, you're going to want your juice. You're going to want your juice sitting by you. Now, I'm not actually going to replace the coil, but I am going to show you how to do it. So, on top of your Trinity Alpha, you're going to notice that there is a little tab here on the opposite side of the actual mouthpiece. So you just take that tab and you push it back, and then your pod will come right out. So you just push the tab back and pull the pod up. And when you notice on the bottom of the pod, you're going to have your coil there. So now the orientation of that coil is going to be very important. These two little white sections need to be facing horizontal to the actual pod. So those two sections are going to come into contact with the actual side plastic pieces of the pod where you put the coil in. So when you're ready to do it, you're going to notice it's got this little lip right here. Let's see if I can get that to focus. Yeah, so you got a lip right here, and you just go and you take your thumbnail or whatever you want, and you just put it in there, and then the pod comes right out. And then this is your coil. Mine's not bad. I actually just replaced it today. But otherwise, usually after about a week or so, these things are going to go bad. They're going to get black. You just toss it in the garbage. And then when you get your new coil, you take it, and if you notice these little holes on the side, there's little holes on all four sides of the coil. You just take your juice and you just put a little tiny dab of juice on each one of those, just like a drop. And then you let that sit for just a little bit. And then, like I said, you take your pod, and those two little white parts are going to be facing the outside, because they're actually a flat side on that part of the coil. So then you just go ahead and you send it home. And then you can fill the pod up with whatever e-liquid you like, whether that be free-base nicotine or salt nicotine, and then you are good to go. So if this helped you, leave a comment, leave a like, let us know, and we'll be here to help you. So you guys have a fantastic day, and we'll see you later.